Let's see what the guy's up to today, man. Let's see what's going on over here. Why is there obsidian currently on the playset? Oh, turn around. Oh my God, I'm not turning around from this, man. I'm staying here and I want to get through. Oh, that was you guys talking. Oh, yeah. DJ battle. Whoa. We're about to have a DJ battle. Is that really about to happen? Oh, man. Dude, look at him. He's just going in, bro. He's going crazy. He's lame already. I got Moose looking at my kitchen. Oh, snap. It's about to be crazy. Yeah. Hold up. We ain't done just yet. Everybody put your hands in the air if you think Moose is #1, bro. You think I won? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I won. Yay! We're going to have one dance, all right? Dance time. Hey. Welcome to the day of daycare. It's been day 35 without my AC. It's getting hotter and hotter by the minute. I'm currently in the Australian jungle right now. It's 85 degrees in my room, and I'm dying. I'm exhausted. I'm overwhelmed. I'm sweating. I haven't showered, and I'm terrified. Please send help in the Australian jungle. All right, let's drink the moose milk though. Yay! All right, awesome. So let's see what's going on in the daycare today. Jeff, what's up, buddy? Jeff, hello. Oh, wait, what? Why is the daycare still closed off for the obsidian and stuff? I don't know what's going on. And last time we had a dance party, you know, and then Musino went crazy and stuff. And what's going on now? What's this? Huh? No, don't go in here, please. Jeff, I see you. What's going on today, man? Huh? Jeff, are you okay? Yeah, guys, Jeff, I've been thinking. What have you been thinking about? Why is the daycare still so messed up? Hey, Scott, I see you. I see you right here. Hi, Skylar. Hey. It's been kind of lonely in here. What do you mean it's been kind of lonely? You have two people that are going crazy every single episode, and we destroy the daycare 9% of the time. How is that lonely? Yeah, no more budget. Two crazy people, not normal. What do you mean? How is that not normal? That's exactly what we need, dude, in your life. You always need crazy people. Everyone's crazy in their own way, dude. That's what it's about, man. No. What do you mean, no? Man, Jeff, I feel like you're not optimistic, man. You know what it is? Is that the right word for it? I'm not really sure what the right word for it is, honestly. But listen, you're not open-minded, dude. Not true. Be happy. Yeah, exactly. Just be happy, Jeff. Don't be all negative and stuff. If you're negative, you're going to become negative all the time. I'm always happy. Jeff, you scream and you get mad over things that don't make any sense. You see that right there? That right there is negativity. I will carve a smile on your face. That's actually pretty savage. All right. It's called discipline. That doesn't make any sense at all. You can't solve discipline. Discipline does not solve things. This dude over here. Lame. Jeff, that's lava. Are you about to... I solve. Solve what? No. Hey. Anyway, Jeff, can you get to your point, please? I don't know what's going on, man. Just get to your point. All right, well, come on. What's going on, buddy? So you're lonely. It's time to get something new. You mean a new girlfriend? I thought you and Jafita were, like, perfect. Like, did you, like, not solve that problem at all? Huh? It's time to get something big. It's open. What? Huh? A pet? Jeff, why would we get a pet when you already are a pet? Got him! Hashtag Savage Moose. Awesome. Comment down below. Yo, that was savage. Ouch, yo! Hashtag Savage Moose. All right. Okay, man. So what are you doing then, huh? What are you doing? I don't understand, Jeff. You tell me this thing, you tell me that thing. We gotta decide what pet. Why don't we just get a dog or something, bro? Don't get a cat. The cats pee everywhere. Actually, they get dogs in too, but not as much as cats. Oh, and cats have like the claws where you like think they can like poke your eye out and stuff, and they like shed a lot. I like cats. I like the F1 Savannah cats, but I prefer a dog more. I'm more of a dog person because they're like more compassionate and stuff. Could get a dog, but you take care. So do dogs. All right, so dog it is, but I'm not taking care of it. I can't take care of a dog. Come on. I already have my own puppy named Lucy. And why would we get another one? Huh? They'll both eat us. That's pretty savage, but all right. All I do to take care. Another one. I already have a puppy in real life. I don't need another one, dude. You guys can take care of her, all right? Come on. We don't need like another puppy in here. Another one, too bad. We need 3 more. No. You do not want 3 more. You do not want 3 more. You already know this. 4. No, stop making it. Stop making it more. We're not getting a puppy. It's not happening. You got it? No puppy. You got me? So what? Let's get a turtle. Like something that doesn't do anything. You pitching in? What? I just said I don't want one. I'm in. I'm not going to fall for this bandwagon, all right? We need 400 each. $400? Bro, it's like flight tickets to Alaska. $400. I'm sorry, what did you say? I'm sorry, did you just say 40K each? How does that even go up? Pay up, pay up, pay up. Jeff, we're not paying up. I don't got that kind of money, bro. Where am I supposed to get 400 grand from? Huh? It's an auction. Jeff, we're not doing... All right, whatever. How about this? I have your car. You can't do that. Do I get a 400? At 500? No, you're not getting anything. We're not auctioning this stuff off. Do I get a 500? All right, fine. You get 500. 600. Stop raising the price, Jafina. I mean, Skylar. Oh, my God. Whoa! Stop it. We're not getting a good deal. You realize you're raising the price up, and it's actually making it worse. 700, that's decided. Do I get a 500? 700K each. You guys are crazy. You're about to spend $1 million on a dog. You know what? What is it? Huh? Sky, let me hear one of your better ideas where you're going to completely mess everything up. We'll pay at the place. All right, that sounds pretty good. Okay. I'm going to go get my life savings, and I don't even know where I get 700 grand from. We decided on 10 dogs. Stop raising the dogs. We only get one. All right, that's it. That's the only thing I'll agree to. One dog. All right, one puppy. How about that? Sounds good. Huh? You got a deal? 4 puppies. All right, I'm out of here. You know what? I'm out of here. I'll meet you guys at the place. Sounds good? Okay. Okay, all right. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get my piggy bank, and I am totally going to finesse that $700,000. All right, we'll be right back. Go to www.itsmoosecraft.com to purchase the official Moose merch right now. Link in the description down below. Well, I went to my house, I checked my piggy bank, and let me tell you, my piggy bank is completely empty. Yep, I have $0 to my name, and worst of all, I got no money, man, so I don't know what to do, honestly. I got an idea. How about this? I'm gonna write like a check here. I'm just gonna like hardcore finesse it, dude. Like I'm gonna act like I have the money for it on this little thing and just give it to him and hope for the best that it clears. All right. Anyway, so wait, Jeff. Huh? Where's Skylar at? Skylar, what is going on over here? What's this? Dog adoption. Oh no, not one of these things. Oh, okay, it's just seems sketchy, man. Just a random sign. Dog adoption. Dog adoption. Dog adoption. Oh, piece of candy. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. Oh. Oh. Puppies! Oh my God! Oh, dude! Mom, I want that one! Oh my God, this was even cuter! I want that one! Oh my God! What's this? Is that a blender? Oh. Buy some bows and choose a pupper. Remember to buy some food as well. Wait, Jeff! Yo, Jeff! Jeff, buddy, what's up? Hey, Jeff! Dude! What's up, buddy? How you doing? Who? What? What do you mean who? Jeff, it's me, Moose. What, my name, Pablo Jefe. Hold on. Jeff, I can clearly see you're wearing a different costume. Jeff, don't excuse me. You're excused, man, but Jeff, what is this place? Don't call me Jeff. Then what do I call you? I am so confused what's going on here. My name is Mr. Pablo Jefe. I am so confused on many levels. Jeff, I can clearly see that you're dressed up as a pet owner. I'm not blind. What's that? What? Oh. Nice. Wait. Jeff, where'd you go? Jeff! Where's Jeff at? Oh my. Jeff! Listen, bro. What? What do you want? What do you want? Huh? What is it? You want cat or not? You only have puppies here. I only see dogs. It's like cats. Jeff, are you sure that's not you? Because I can clearly tell by your personality. That's exactly what it is. That is not a cat. That's a dog. Who? Oh my God, it's not getting anywhere. All right, so hey, Mr. Pablo Jefe, I'm here to adopt a dog. So what do I do? Can I get one of these things over here? Is that? Oh, dog leash. You want to see them? Yeah, exactly. Let me quickly get the dog food and stuff. Let me get everything I need. All right. Let me get some more dog leashes. Get in the cage with them. All right, sounds good. Doggy ball. Yay. All right, I'm coming over here. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Oh, look at this one. This is super cute. They all look the same. Yeah. Oh my God. Then maybe I can sell you two. I can't get out. I can't get out. Hey. Jeff, help! They're trying to kill me! Oh my God, Jeff, this is so bad! I don't like this at all. I don't know about this. Those are kind of vicious. Yeah, I don't want any part of that. Oh God. Ruff! Is that Lucy? I'm sorry, hold on. Jeff, Hefe, Big Hefe, Pablo Hefe. What is this? What is this one right here? It looks... That is a very special Doge. Why? He pooped on the ground. Oh God, that's lovely. Okay, all right. Ruff. Is that the only one I can clearly tell that the other ones absolutely hate me and they want to kill me. So I'll get it with it. You know, I'll be on my way. I don't really want a dog anymore. I don't want that one. Oh God. Go ahead. I can't get in there. They will leave me alive. Look. Hey, guys. Is everybody friendly? Ow, he bit me. Yeah, hey, Riff. Hey, buddy. You like moose milk? There you go. Oh, God. Oh, it stands. Roof. Okay, here's a bone. Enjoy, buddy. I'll take this one, Jeff. Oh, God. What have I got myself into? It's so cute. Oh, you are one big dog. What is this, like Clifford the big red dog or something? Or the big yellow dog? All right, Jeff, Mr. Pablo Jefe, I will have this one for adoption. Come on, buddy, come here. Oh, this is gonna be not good. It's not gonna be good. Okay, come on, buddy. Ruff. Big red Doge. So I'm guessing the dog's name is Lucy. It's a girl, I guess. You all right, girl? This is for emergency use only. Why do I need this? Is this, Ref. In case you need to take care. All right, awesome. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, Lucy, let's go. Come on, follow me. Come on. Oh God, this is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I got food. Come on. Come here. It's a good girl. Oh, you good girl. Come here. It's a good girl. Ref. Up. I'm your big dog. All right, down. Sit. This is gonna be good. All right, come on. Follow me. We're gonna go back to the daycare. Oh, lovely. Oh my. This one is he's a big one, isn't she? He's a very special one. Oh, your soul. Riff. I experienced Pet Trader. I'm pretty sure that dog has said it will eat my soul, and it looked at me. Riff. I'm just gonna optimistic. I'm just gonna walk away. Yeah, I don't want. Oh, stop. That dog seems to have some type of hatred. Don't abandon. Oh, I want to abandon. Come on, buddy. You're going back to my house with me. I'm so scared. Okay, let's go. Yay. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I adopted my brand new puppy. I'm looking terrified. What's that? I mean, Riff. Get it, Lucy. Eat it. It's talking different languages. Ow! Hey! Sit. Good. Good girl. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow with a better video. Subscribe, slap the bell, and leave a like. Bye. And go ahead and follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram at MooseCraft. Please help me. Today. Bye.